I want to show you, I started some seedlings inside. And so I'm putting them outside to harden off. Like this mustard I started, on the 13th. No, on November 13th, 2020. And I have it outside. I'm going to have to thin these out, but when I thin them out, I don't get rid of any plants because I'm not even gonna thin them. I'm just gonna take them. Here's what okay guys, here's a little tip. Look at this, see this little, can you see the roots on this thing? And it's inside this little white pot. I like to tear the sides of this, because I noticed that if I don't tear the sides and let the roots have more space, the plant does not grow well. So I'm actually, let me put this back down. Good, it has nice healthy roots. But I am going to have to tear the sides so that when I plant it in the community garden area, see, here's what it is. From from MIgardener. No, these mustards came from MIgardener, not Baker's Creek. Okay, Luke, I see you. They're nice and healthy. The germination was absolutely incredible. He said 300 seed count, but it was amazing. I think it's more than that. All right, here's the orchid cream nasturtiums. And I started that on the 12th of December in a little plastic egg crate. And look, I see at least 2 of them that have germinated. So that's wonderful. So I'm in California, so the weather's not harsh. And here I have some ginger growing. I don't see anything coming up yet. I do see some. I'm sure that's not ginger, that's something else. And then over here in front of my garage, my driveway, I have some other things growing. I think this has too much moisture. So I'm going to, and this is just like random peppers. I sort of opened the bag a little bit, but I think I'm going to take them out of the plastic bag, because we had a lot of rain and I think it's a little bit too moist. So I'm going to remove the plastic bag. I put the bag here because at night, it's kind of cold at night. But I think during the day I'm going to remove these from the bag. So over here, I have ground cherries. I know I have okra somewhere. Let's see what this is. Let's see. Oh, yeah, more ground cherries. I think all of these are ground cherries because I just went crazy. Okay, here is my little greenhouse that's actually a rose bush, a Cecile Brunner rose bush that I've taken the plastic covering off because I want it to look more natural. And it's my favorite place in the garden. Look up here. Isn't this incredible? Cecile Brunner, the nickname is the Sweetheart Rose. And it's so fragrant. And it's just one rose bush, but it's creating this canopy of natural leaves. And look at that camellia over there. I hope my neighbors, we have new neighbors now, I hope they don't cut that down. Look, but isn't it incredible? And here's just some plastic stars that I painted pink to try and put some color in this area until things start to grow. But this is like my little refuge in the garden. Then just below the rose bush, look, I have this area that I need to condo. So I think the title of this video is going to be Winter Konmari in the Garden.